Hey guys, Colin here from CH Gadgets, and we got another one. This is the Halfears T15 True Wireless Bluetooth Earbud. And in this video, we're gonna check it out. By the way, if this is your first time here and you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you wanna see all the cool new tech that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking that subscribe button and tapping on that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. So the price on this one is about $29.99. Garrett from Mantis Knife. You know, links in the description. That's what the presentation looks like when you open them up. That's the case. That's the back of the case. What's this? Type-C charging. And that's it pretty much for the case. You got Halfears written on the top. Type-C charging cable and a bunch of booklets. This is what one of the earbuds look like. It's almost AirPod style. That's what it looks like. Microphone, charging connectors, earbuds. You see one earbud, you see them all. It's magnetic. So, well, it's not that strong, but it is magnetic. Gotta get it really hard to drop it out. So let's pair it up, see what it sounds like. So that is what they look like in the ear. It's AirPods. It's almost AirPods. But it's in pretty good. I guess it won't fall out. And I guess you can work out in these. So let me get some test songs in. All right, so I'm gonna test this out real quick, and I'm gonna let you know if it's worth your time or your money. Let's go. All right, so I think I got a good idea of what these sound like. I'm gonna be completely honest. It sounds good. But before, the first time when I just started listening to it, it kind of sounded almost kind of stuffy, almost nasally like, you know, so I thought it was because of the type of earbuds that it is. As you can see, it's the Halfears kind of design earbud, the earpods, where it can't go all the way in, so you get a nice tight seal. So I thought, you know, that's what it was. So I basically took it out and kind of adjusted. It eliminates some of the nasaliness, but it still sounded like there was something missing. I'm not sure what it was. It just sounded like something was missing. So what I concluded is it kind of missing some of that treble response. It definitely is missing that treble response, and that upper mid-range is where this is kind of coming up short, to me at least, because that's where I kind of hear it lacking the most. Yes, it has some bass, but the bass is not really powerful. As you can see, the type of earbud that it is, it's not gonna get a really nice lock in your ear, so it's not gonna give you that nice deep bass response. But it still sounds good. It still gives you a nice punchy sound altogether with the sound. So like I said, it sounds good, but to a discerning ears, I don't know, maybe because I listen to so many different earbuds, I can hear where those frequencies are kind of lacking just a little bit. So Halfears, if you're watching this, that's where you probably need to focus on getting it tuned, because everything else is all right. I mean, you get 3.5 hours in each earbud, 18 hours in the case. That's not bad. It's Bluetooth 5.0, which means you should get some nice range and low latency. Got controls. What I should have did is I should have tested if you could actually, you know, I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so yeah, so basically, as I was saying, I just did another test a couple more songs, and I was exactly right. Up in those higher frequencies, even into the lower and mid treble, there's a lot kind of like missing right there. And then up in the higher mids, in those mid-tones, yeah, you definitely kind of lack some frequencies in there. So Halfears, if you're watching this video, we do need you to kind of like make some adjustment, make some tweak when you're getting these tuned, so that you can actually replace put back some of those high frequencies and those upper mid that is kind of missing, because it's affecting some songs. When you listen to some songs, it's definitely affecting it. Some songs that doesn't have, you know, a lot of high frequency, you know, in the playback, you won't notice it, but there's others that definitely, you know, will definitely reveal that. So yes, I mean, that's my recommendation based on these. But if you're thinking about buying these, yes, you can buy them now, and yes, you can definitely enjoy them now. To the average person who just want this, it's like 30 bucks. If you want it, maybe work out, or you just need it to make some phone calls, or, you know, Zoom calls, or whatever it is, it could definitely work. But if you want it for high quality music listening, yes, you're gonna missing some frequencies up in the higher and the lower mid range, and the higher mid range, as I was saying. Bass is okay. It's not punchy. It's not really, it doesn't have a lot of impact, but it's okay. It's good enough. You can get the job done. Other than that, yeah, I mean, you could buy these if you want, but my recommendation is to Halfears, to think about it, check it out. Listen to it. Listen to a couple different genres. Listen to some vocals, and also listen to some music with a lot of high frequencies. And then maybe that will kind of reveal to you what is going on here. Maybe you can make some adjustments in the next batch or in the upgrade. That's it for me. If you want one for yourself, you can check the link in the description, or if you want, you can wait until Halfears maybe make some updates to this one. But like I said, it's okay. It can definitely get the job done. It's not bad. It's just that I've noticed there's some stuff that could be, you know, could be done to make it better. And I'm hoping Halfears is watching. It's constructive criticism. Don't feel too bad. All right, so that's it for me with these. I'll probably catch you in my next video. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Talk to you in my next video. Peace.